Alright, congratulations, Mary, for the first quarter. Looks like all three other quarters no one had squares for, so I'm going to take everybody's entries and randomize them 10 times to find our winner for $127, I believe. So here's the list. Make it down into a line. Oops, there we go. Do do do. I do this all on the camera so you guys know there's no tomfoolery. Almost there. Hold on. Alright, so let's double check this. 22 spots remaining, so that means 78 spots taken. So if I paste this here, it should go all the way down to 78, which it does. So that's a good list. Put it into our randomizing list, and it should have 78 entries, and I'll go 10 times. Here we go. 78 items in your list. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, last roll. 78 items in your list. This is 9 times. One more time. Top spot will win. Here we go. And it's James Power. That's me. Congratulations, me.